Thank you so much, Yassine. Well, even though in the security community, it is a very well-known problem that users have the tendency of plugging in the system USB keys which they just find somewhere. But then we realized that there are only 5 papers which actually formally tackle this problem, especially in terms of what motivates the user to do so, and as well as in terms of how effective this attack USB key attack is. So that means the literature is really poor around this problem. But then it's important to notice that in this study, the authors have actually been comparing the results with what had been found before. And now, the study revolves around 3 important questions. First of all, it's all about whether the users have actually picked up the USB key, which was dropped. And the second question addressed the fact that users, did they really plug in the USB key, and did they really open the files which were inside? Then the third question addresses the motivation of the users of doing so, of opening the files. So, as we know in the security research, we consider 3 things. As in, number one, the system, then the adversary, and then the threat. So in this case, our system model is about the campus university, which is connected by a local area network as well as by internet. And there's a traffic. And now the adversary model are those researchers who act like attackers. They have spread around those USB on the campus. Then the threat is all about the fact that the organization may be exposed by a user who plug in the drive, and that leads to loss of data, loss of confidentiality, as well as spreading around the virus. Moving on to the experiment. The experiment was all about the fact that they have chosen 2 campuses of Illinois University, and they have spread around 300, nearly 300 USB keys, and they wanted to check at each time who has accessed the file. At what time who has accessed the file. So they've done so by putting inside the key drive, the key USB,